this video, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about this 2017 Dodge Challenger SRT TA. You're not only gonna learn everything you need to know about this car, we're also gonna take it to the Strip in Mexico, and we're gonna see what this thing can do against the Dodge Challenger RT. I'm Jeff from Modern Muscle 213, and today you're gonna learn everything you need to know about this 2017 TA 392. Alright guys, I'm here with my friend Daniel and his 2017 Dodge Challenger TA, and he's going to tell us everything we need to know about it. Alright, yes, what do we got here? What is this thing?
2017 TA 392. It goes 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. I haven't done anything engine-wise, but I've done a mid-muffler delete and an active exhaust delete.
Okay.
It comes with the 275 tires.
275s, okay. Nice,
yeah.
nice.
And the intake headlights as well.
Both open right here. Okay. Very nice. And you have the little things in there too, the TA
Yeah, the little TA
things. Okay. Yeah, so this time around you have to take off the hood pens, right? So this thing comes with hood pens.
It's kind of annoying sometimes.
Oh yeah. It comes with this right here.
Got more power intake, and it comes with the there as well, so I can close it on.
Oh wow. Is this in all this SRTs?
Yeah,
It is?
All the TAs, yeah.
All the TAs. Oh, okay. So this is functional.
Functional.
All right, there you go. Very nice, very nice. All right, guys, gonna see how loud this thing is. It's probably gonna be very loud. Damn. Okay. Well, you want to go for riding it?
Let's go.
All right. We go for a ride, guys. See how fast it is, and if I should back out of the race. It feels good. It feels really grounded. Like it's definitely like it's comfortable. You always been a Mopar guy? It's the first Mopar?
It's my first Mopar.
Okay.
I just decided to get a Mopar because all my friends had them. I didn't know the TA existed. I was gonna get a Scatti. I did research and I found out these are a better deal.
Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. You have mid-muffler delete. Everyone does that. It's no drone.
No.
No drone at all. Okay.
Problem I did have with the mid-muffler is that the active exhaust would rattle. So they told me I either had to replace it or I could just cut it out and move it to the side. That's what I did. I cut it off. I moved it to the side. So basically the valves are just always open now.
Okay. right, guys. Well, the race is over, and looks like there's traction issues. It has. We all know this car's faster. Okay, I've raced a lot of 392s, and I've lost all the races, but guess that's just traction issues. But hey, you know, I don't have to say. What do you think?
You need to get wider tires.
Yeah. These are already wider though. These are wider than
275.
These are 275s.
Couldn't get traction. I don't know why.
Damn, that's crazy. And I did a burnout too, and I actually had no issues. So I guess that's probably why, because I burned out the damn tires. Yeah, well, you know, I mean, there you go. It's interesting, very interesting outcome. You know, I mean, hey, shit happens. What can you say? What can you say? Well, this car is a beast, and interesting. Hey, this might be the Mustang Part 2, huh? I don't know if you saw the Mustang 5.0 video, but there's one I did with the Mustang 5.0. I beat the manual Mustang 5.0. So, you know what, guys? Yeah, it's an interesting race. I'm gonna call this a fluke because we all know this one's faster. But you know, hey man, shit happens. Guess it was the RT's day, so we'll see. Good race nonetheless. Very fast car. Excellent. Faster, we all know that. So okay, well, any information you want to plug? Anything you want to throw in there?
My Instagram is _TA392.
Okay.
And yeah, just follow me there. I post daily.
Rematch coming soon.
Definitely.
Yeah. Let's see. Here you go. Okay, yeah. So TA392. There's information right there. Follow, subscribe, like his pictures. Beautiful Dodge TA. And of course, you guys know my information. Jeff Jenkins, Model Muscle 213. Like, subscribe. Yep. All right, guys. Thanks again. Hope to see you soon. Until next time. Peace.